Why does Virtualbox only have 32-bit option, no 64-bit option on Windows 7? I have downloaded and installed the newest Virtualbox April 3, 2020 for my Windows 7, 64-bit OS, but when I want to install 64-bit Linux, the new Create Virtual Machine only displays 32-bit option, no 64-bit option. Could anyone give any clues about this issue? Thanks very much in advance.
Take a look, this URL. If Virtualbox is only showing 32-bit versions in the version list, make sure you have an x64 CPU installed. Optimally, a 64-bit OS should also be installed to receive acceptable virtualization performance. Hardware virtualization is enabled in the BIOS. Your CPU must support it. For Intel x64, VTX, Intel Virtualization Technology, and VTD are both enabled. For AMD x64, AMD SVM, Secure Virtual Machine, is enabled. Hyper-V, or any other form of bare metal hypervisor, is not installed.
If you want to emulate 64-bit apps on a 64-bit host, your CPU needs a feature for that. Which Dude says, is an Intel-specific copy-paste. The same support exists on AMD's too, there its name is AMD-V, maybe he forgot to mention. If your CPU doesn't have the support, it won't ever work. If it has, maybe you need to switch this on in your BIOS. There are bad BIOSes which can't turn this feature on. Sometimes a BIOS upgrade can in this case help.
Had the same problem, only seeing 32-bit versions for the host OSes. Started working after updating ASUS P8Z77V Pro BIOS to latest and enabling virtualization support. Before the BIOS update, Virtualbox showed only 32-bit OSes.
Windows 10 Creators Update needed a restart to show the 64-bit OS options in Virtualbox the 5th of January 2022 for my AMD Phenom TM2. Also, the problem might be that you need to turn off the computer after changing the virtualization options in BIOS, not just restart it.
On Windows 1903 and Dell laptop, disabling device guard using group policy helps to enable 64-bit OS in Virtualbox. For reference, this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.